This practice is to reduce tension and tightness in the back and the hamstrings and the hips, at the same time bringing more flexibility into those areas. So join me in the first posture, butterfly. Bring the soles of the feet together. You can extend them far away from you or close to you. Allow your body intuition to guide you for what your body wants and needs today with the back, your hips, and your hamstrings. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest and come forward. Once you reach that point of resistance, allow your breath to create space in the back and in the hips. And allow your breath to take you deeper into the pose. Stay focused on the inhale and the exhale. You can even add in a word or a phrase that you wish to embody, that you wish to experience from your practice today. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest, rolling up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Release the legs and make any micro movements that feel yummy and delicious to relax your body. And when you're ready, bend your right knee. Take the sole of your right foot to the inside of your left leg. We're coming into half butterfly. And with a straight back, take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, very gently come forward. And as you come forward, allow the head, the neck, and the shoulders to relax down. The toes of the left foot are pointed high up to the heavens. The neck is slightly tucked into the chest. And the breath is allowing you to go deeper into the pose. Use that focus of what you wish to embody from your practice. Stay focused on that and relaxing into the inhale and releasing into the exhale. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest. coming up one vertebrae at a time. And when you're ready, gently switch sides. So extend the right leg out and bring the sole of the left foot to the inside of the right leg. Balance your sit bones into the ground, the earth beneath you. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, just walk your hands forward. Allowing gravity to support the head, the neck, and the shoulders. The chin is slightly tucked into the chest. The breath will take you deeper into the stretch, releasing any tension and tightness in the back, the hips, and the hamstrings. Stay focused on what it is you wish to embody. On the next inhale, tuck your chin into your chest, rolling up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Moving over into tabletop, listening to your body intuition if you wish to take a couple cat-cows. Or maybe your body intuition would like to go into a downward dog. Honor the sensations and the intuition between your body, your mind, and your spirit. Or maybe you wish to go into a child's pose. Knowing that where we're moving from here is stepping the right foot in between both hands, coming into a dragon pose. And maybe for you today, it's hands up on the knees. Or maybe it's both hands on either side of the right foot. Maybe it's hands on the inside of the right foot. Wherever your body wants to express this stretch today, once you find it, allow the breath to take you deeper into the pose. Stay focused on that word or words that you wish to embody, that you're attracting into this moment, to feel it in your body, your mind, and your spirit. And if it's comfortable for you, you can drop the head and allow the neck to relax as the chin tucks into the neck. Honoring your body and recognizing that the right side may feel one way, and when we move into the left side, it may feel another. And can you find joy and gratitude in what the experience is in this moment? On the next inhale, very gently release out of the pose Gently and mindfully, coming back into tabletop and taking any micro movements that your spirit, your body, and your mind calls for before bringing the left foot in between both hands and honoring the sensations that the left side may feel different than the right, and maybe starting with the hands on the knees and then moving with the hands on either side of the left foot and then into the hands on the inside, or maybe intuitively you already know where your body will release and relax into, and go straight into the pose, using the breath to release and let go. Long, deep breathing. Honoring the sensations, the point of resistance, not pain, but the point of resistance. And on the next inhale, very gently and mindfully and gracefully move into child's pose, allowing yourself to sink back and release. Enjoying this stretch in the back and the hips, and just relax. Always honoring the thoughts and choosing to focus on what you wish to embody. Honoring the body with your daily practice. And honoring your spirit for listening to the call to stretch, to use breath and movement to release tension in the back, the hips and the hamstrings, so that you can feel flexible. And the flexibility in the body connects then to the flexibility in the mind and the spirit. You can stay here if you have the time and your spirit calls you to stay. And if you wish to join me, you can come to an upright seated position. Bring the hands in front of the heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Bow your head to your heart, honoring yourself for taking the time to practice and honoring yourself for listening to the call of the connection between the body, the mind, and the spirit, and nurturing that call today.